Java, Indonesia, there are many superstitions that are still believed to be true by the people. One of them is this superstition.
Ini gini, jadi saya dan anak saya yang pertama itu kebetulan wetonnya sama-sama hari Kamis Pahing. Nah, menurut apa istilahnya itu kepercayaan orang-orang tua dahulu, katanya kalau anak sama ayahnya itu wetonnya sama, kemungkinan di kemudian hari akan selalu banyak perselisihan ataupun beda pendapat. Nah, untuk mencari solusi itu, ini juga masih menurut orang-orang tua itu ada syarat ataupun sesuatu yang harus dilakukan, yaitu membuang anak itu ketika lahir atau dari rumah sakit ketika sudah pulang ke rumah, atau mungkin dari klinik atau dari mana, dari dia melahirkan. Kalau sebelum masuk rumah, anak itu harus dibuang. Dulu saya juga melakukan seperti itu.
When a baby comes into this world, no word can describe the parents' happiness. But who knows, deep inside, they are also apprehensive. For a Javanese superstition says a child will always be arguing with a parent who has the same weton with him or her, and it may eventually lead to destruction in the family.
Despite such an awful consequence, this superstition is completed with a way to overcome the destruction. They say if the family who has this case of same weton wants to prevent a quarrel, a ritual needs to be done. This is done by putting the newly born child outside the house before entering the house for the first time. This baby will be picked up by another person outside the family, and then the baby will be offered to the family. This is done as if the person did not know whose baby it is. Then, the family will take the baby as if they were adopting someone else's baby. Of course, this is only a made-up scenario which has been discussed and agreed by the family and the baby taker before the ritual.
Saya ingatannya tentang hari dan pasaran neton gue terhadap suatu kejadian itu ingatannya apik banget nih. Karena memang mereka sebenarnya kan waktu itu memang belum budaya nyatat karena pendokumentasian secara tertulis tercatat, sehingga mereka justru sebenarnya ingatan tentang hari tanggal pasaran gue mereka nyatet banget. Nah, itu juga terjadi kaitannya dengan hal-hal yang kemudian bisa dihubungkan dengan itu. Intinya bahwa apa yang tertulis di Primbon itu, saya meyakini betul bahwa itu memang berdasarkan ilmu titen mereka gitu, yang ada di masyarakat.
How about Javanese people who don't practice this ritual? According to our informant, there is no requirement to do so. Therefore, if the person does not believe this superstition, they may skip the ritual. However, they should not read Primbon or the Javanese guidebook or try to calculate the weton. In short, if they don't believe it, then they have to be consistent in not believing it. If they don't believe it, but they read Primbon book, the calamity will really happen. That is what the elders say.